Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to manage your time effectively. To truly master your time, you first need to understand where it goes. Start by tracking your daily activities for about 1 week. This helps you identify patterns, see how much time you spend on various tasks, and pinpoint any areas where time might be slipping away unnoticed. It's a crucial first step to gaining control and making every moment count. Once you know how you're spending your time, the next step is setting clear, actionable goals. Think about what you want to achieve and define specific, measurable, and time-bound objectives. Break down larger projects into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes them less daunting and easier to tackle. Prioritizing these tasks based on their importance and urgency will guide your focus and ensure you're working on what truly matters. With your goals in mind, it's time to create an effective schedule. Allocate dedicated blocks of time for your most important tasks, treating these appointments with yourself as non-negotiable. Remember to build in short breaks to avoid burnout and maintain your energy levels throughout the day. Regularly review your schedule and be flexible enough to adjust it as new priorities emerge. This proactive approach keeps you on track. Finally, boost your productivity by minimizing distractions. Turn off unnecessary notifications and close irrelevant browser tabs to create a focused work environment. Don't be afraid to delegate tasks when appropriate. Freeing up your time for higher value activities is smart. Remember, effective time management is an ongoing process of learning and adaptation. For more ways to learn and stay productive, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.